Hey everyone, welcome back. Like today, I'm going to solve this top k frequent elements question. Okay, so according to this problem statement, given is an integer array nums and an integer k. Return the k most frequent elements. You may return the answer in any order. Okay, so we would be given array of integers. Okay, and we need to we need to return the k most frequent elements. Means we need to return an array which would be returning the k most frequent elements. Here frequent elements means like suppose like 1 is repeated 3 times here. Okay, and 2 is repeated 2 times, and 3 is repeated only, means like it appears only 1 times. Here it is asking for the k equal to 2, which is two most frequent elements. Okay, so according to that, 1 and 2 would be the answer, the new array. If 3 was given, then 1, 2 and 3 would be there. You might say that why 3? Because 3 is also has been repeated once. Okay, but like the question here is like return the k most frequent element, means like 1 or 2 or 3 doesn't means like the repeating value of doesn't matters. Okay, but we need to repeat the k most frequent. Like in this case, like if there was 1 given, then we would return only 1, because there is one triple 1. Okay, and double 2. uh, let's say triple 2 would be there, and double 1 would be there, then we need to return a 2 with the array 2. Okay, so this is what the problem is trying to say. So yes, so now let's begin with our solution. So what we can do is like we need to keep the frequency count of each number which has occurred in this number array. So for that, what we can do is like we can create a map. Frequency map, let's say it's in a frequency map. Okay, and new map. We are getting a new map variable. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to loop over each element. Okay, and uh, I'm going to use here for each. So in frequency map, I will set number as a key. Okay, and we'll check whether it was already existing or not. This key was existing or not, or we would return 0 plus 1. Okay, so so map would not set any duplicate key. Okay, so this is checking if there is already a number here, or it would return 0 plus 1. For the first time it would return 0 and plus 1, that would be 1. So like 1 appears for the first time, and it we are storing it as a 1. Then it appears for second time, and third time we are just getting this here 1 and incrementing it with 1, which becomes 2, and like this it becomes 3. And after that 2 appears for first time, because it is not in this frequency map as a key. Then in that case it would return a 0, and okay, and so on. So now what we need to do is like we need to get the entries of the const frequency array, and what we want going to do is array array form. So frequency map dot entries, what it does is it gives us all the key and the values in the iterable object, okay, but it is not array, but we are creating an array. So our structure would be something like this. If like for 1 it could be with the 3, okay, so 1 with the 3, okay, 3 time it has appeared, and 2 with the 2 times for this problem, this given input, okay, and uh, 3 would be 3 would be 1 time, okay. So this is how it is done. And uh, what we can do is now we need to sort this array uh, accordingly to the descending order, okay. So sorting would be done with the help of the value, okay, not the key. So what we are going to do is like a b what you if you are thinking like why b1 and a1, because like each element is an array here, okay. An array consists of 0th index and first index, and first index is our value, and 0th index is what our number is, okay. So after that is being sorted, what we can do is we need to return this frequency array up to the k most frequent element, okay. uh, so then what we can do is slice 0k the map now. In this case we are returning only the 0th index, which is the key, okay. If you are aware of the structure, what was the structure, right? So like this was the structure. 3 times 2 is equal to 2 times, and 3 was 1 time, okay. And this was the structure, and this is how we are only targeting the 0th index, which is 1 2, and this can be anything, means like any in any order, okay. After sorting it comes into this order, but like this is very simple scenario where we have done this. And right now we need to run this, and as you can see it is passed, and let's submit. Okay, so this is done. And complexity and the space complexity of this algorithm would be order of n log n. That's why, because like here you can see it's a simple loop, so it is order of n. But as you can see here, we are doing sorting, and in JavaScript this sort is n log n anyhow, okay. And space complexity would be n order of n, because this frequency map, if every element turns to be unique, then we need to do store for every element, okay. Every element as a key here, as you know. Like suppose in this case, like or like suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so it can go up to the worst case like O of n, which would be entry number of the entries of in the nums array, okay. So Okay, that's it, guys. As you know, sorting is O of n log n, so we will consider this, not consider this one. Okay, so yes, so fine, thanks for watching, and